Welcome to AI Alchemy. If you are someone looking to increase your productivity in graphic design, this video is for you. Today, I am going to share you tips on how to create logo faster by using ChatGPT and BING/Create. Bing lets you generate 100 images for free every day. The first step is to open up a chat with ChatGPT. Use the prompt provided, but make sure to replace the brand name with your desired logo. Click Next, and ChatGPT will provide you with a series of prompts for you to work with. Copy the prompt generated by ChatGPT and head over to the BING/Create website. Paste the prompt into the BING/Create search bar and hit Enter. Brace yourself as Bing works its magic and generates a logo based on your prompt. Bing will then create the logo with your prompt. If you are happy with the result, you can select the prompt and save as to your computer. You can get even more specific with your prompt by instructing ChatGPT to add specific letters, numbers, or other elements to your logo image. This allows for more personalized and tailored designs that align perfectly with your creative vision. Here are some of the examples of the image created with the new prompt. Now, if you're concerned about copyright, here's a nifty trick. Right-click on the generated logo image and perform a reverse image search. This will help you ensure that your logo design is unique and doesn't infringe on any existing copyrights. With the power of ChatGPT and BING/Create, you can create logos at lightning speed. Say goodbye to long hours spent agonizing over every pixel. I hope you like these tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to create another video creating a reverse prompt from an image using ChatGPT-4. Remember to subscribe to AI Alchemy, your creative place for all things AI and ChatGPT. We're here to ignite your imagination and transform your design process. Let's craft logos that leave a lasting impression together.